Oh my gosh, so right now, I'm just like really tipsy. I have some Tito's over there to finish. I just ordered some food. I forgot what I ordered. Isn't that crazy? But yeah, I have to finish that. I put it into the orange juice, so I have to finish that as well. I'm thinking about going to the beach. It's like 3 a.m. right now, and I want to go to the beach. It's super dark. It's kind of scary because, like, who wants to go to the beach when it's, like, dark outside? But I would be out there, like, when the sun comes out, so it would be, like, the most amazing thing ever. So I'm thinking about it, and I'm thinking about some other stuff. It's kind of weird, so I'm not going to say. Sorry, that was loud. I forgot what I ordered because I ordered from 2 places and one of them was like closed. Oh yeah, I smell it. It's nachos. The first place that I ordered from was tacos. It was chicken tacos. I ordered 4 chicken tacos and I had to cancel the order, so I got nachos from this other place. They had tacos at this place too, but I just ordered the quickest thing because I was like tired and annoyed. And I was okay with nachos. I taste guacamole. There's tomatoes. I see some chicken and sour cream and stuff. Hey. Peppers too. Oh my gosh, y'all. I leave in like... What time do I leave? I have to be catching my flight at 3, but I'm gonna make sure I be there 2 hours early so I'm not freaking late this time. So I'm not there longer, you know? Alright, y'all. I went to the beach for a couple seconds. It is like 5, 6 a.m., but it's still dark. And I'm like scared because somebody was there at the beach and I was alone. Like there were no like other people at the beach, so I was scared. I thought there would at least be like a couple like couples or like little groups, but no, there's literally nobody at the beach this late/early because yeah, this is like the time when people's going in the house after being drunk and the time that people are waking up to get ready to go to their corporate job. So it's like, dang. Okay, y'all, I know this is very, very, like, risky and, like, tricky and scary to talk about, but, like, since I am by myself, and, you know, we're, like, typically always by ourselves, like, 7 times out of 10, we're by ourselves, so I was kind of, like, imagining, even though I didn't want to, I had to put myself in a scenario where I was, like, getting like abducted. Like what if some random guy like pulled up to me, or not even pulled up, but what if like some random guy like ran up to me and like picked me up like a bodybuilder and threw me into like a truck. I was like thinking like that, and I was so fucking scared because I'm like, that shit happens on the regular. So I was kind of thinking like, what would I do in that situation? Take flight, you know, like try to beat the nigga up. Like, what the fuck? Do I have mace? Do I have a pocket knife? Like, what type of protection do I have on me? Just before anything bad happens, just make sure you kind of have, like, a plan to make sure you protect yourself. That's all I'm trying to say. Because I hated to think about that, like, situation happening to me. Because who wants to think about something bad happening to them? Like, never, ever. But that's all what life is about. So as long as you have, like, a protection plan, that's all that matters. Okay, love? That's all I was trying to say. But I just pulled up. Why do I keep saying pulled up? I guess pulled up is the same thing as walking up. I don't know. I just walked up to the damn B&B and I'm about to go upstairs and go fucking roll a blunt and calm my nerves. And then lay down until I see that the sun is out. And then that way I know more people is out. And that way I know that I'm more protected and less scared. Okay, y'all? Love you. It's so scary out there. Now I'm comfortable. So good. It was so scary out there. Now I'm comfortable, so we're good. Just in case you didn't hear me. Because I was talking super low. Because they're sleeping. But I talk low anyways. You'll probably didn't hear that. Now it's starting to like be brighter outside, but it's still super dark, so that's kind of a little scary, sketchy, you know, for individual females like me. Cause y'all niggas out there be tripping, like y'all men, y'all fucking weird ass men, and the females that be like low scumbags that have no money and have to work with guys to fucking abduct women are sick as fuck. Y'all are bogus. Y'all are out here because people like them are out here. And I just had to spit over the balcony. But y'all, this dude last night pissed on the balcony. We were sitting in the car, so he kind of really didn't know that other people were out there. But still, it's like, really over the balcony? And you're in an apartment where there's a bathroom? Like, how fucking disrespectful can you be? But yeah, he like peed on her, and I really told him, I like, dude, you really gonna pee right there? I really said that shit. I'm like, wow, I almost threw up. Someone's calling me. Okay, y'all, do you see it's brighter out here? So I'm gonna definitely go out and give it another round. And now I can see who the fuck is out there. Like, we couldn't see who was out there. So now I can see, and I'm alone, so, you know, we can definitely see. And if I was with someone else, it would have been okay. But yeah, we about to go out there and try for a second time, so come on. That's the closest I've ever been to a cat other than my cat. It's taking off. Bye.
Birthday girl. Y'all go say hi to the birthday girl. Hey.
Hey.
Hey, okay. Rose, Mark. I'll make sure you get to my lover. Alright, guys. When I say it's time to rock and roll, let's rock and roll. Yeah. Ice cream. That's what I call a tasty treat.
Ice cream.
Shocking.
Ice
That's
cream.
way too much power.
Ice cream. Rock and roll. Ice cream.
Thanks for likes. Thanks for likes. Keeps my heart pumping.
Thanks for likes. Hey y'all, so I just ran into this really cool influencer. He's doing like that NPC stuff, and I've been wanting to try to do that. They're like, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Like, like, I am not NPC at all, trust me, but I'm headed to the beach now because it's brighter. Can y'all see the comparison? Yeah, y'all know what I'm talking about. Anyways, I am recording on a different device, so that might be why it's a different kind of view, but it's still, you know, y'all can see what the fuck is going on, so let's go. You know, I'd be jealous too if I wasn't here. Well, it's like 5, 6 in the morning, and the sun is rising. It's like too beautiful to be out here while the sun is rising at the beach. Happy birthday! Woo! For some reason, the name Oliver and the word derm keep popping up, so if that means anything to you, yeah, it might be a message. Good or bad, or just a warning, just to make sure you like watch your back and make sure you are on your P's and Q's, okay? Okay. Huh. Put my sandals here to weigh it out. Y'all, this is my last day here. Like, I leave in a couple hours, so I'm just trying to enjoy this water while I can. I never been in the water like while the sun was rising, so this is definitely an experience. Where is the sun coming out? I think the sun is coming out right there. Oh, the sun's right there. Yeah, that's the sun right there. I thought the sun was right there, but no, that's just a nice reflection. Maybe there is a sun right there. Who knows? Because, you know, it'd be like 3, 4, 5 suns and 2 moons. Who fucking knows what's going on, y'all? So much seaweed right here. It's so gross. Keeps getting on me. I'm like, ew. Ew. I'm so happy to be out here while the sun is rising. This bird's flying around me, so hopefully they don't shit on me. I got shitted on one time. Shitted on them. Man, I just did it on them. Ah, that's so funny. Put your number 2s in the air if you did it on them. That's so funny because they always have 2 wings up in the air and they be shitting on cars, shitting on people like nothing happened. Like, dang, okay then. They lucky. Look, here go one right here. Here go 2. Oh my god, they're all ganging up over here. Don't shit on me. They're all flying. Like, no, get away. Anyways, I'll catch y'all in the next clip. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for spending my birthday with me. But yeah, literally, I've just been laying right here and waiting for the waves to hit me, like, and it's been so fun. Like, when I say let's go to the beach, this is what I mean. Let's lay right on the fucking beach shore and let the waves, like, run on us. It's so peaceful, and it feels so good. Like, everyone loves water, and I'm a Cancer, so, like, I'm a water sign. If it was on the back like that, it'd be perfect. Get frisky.
really, really lose you. But she gon' pay, bet she going through the whole bank account. Then she got this, she lose you. I don't trust women, it's the dog in me. Tell the best woman not to really fuck with me. Just lust for me, just mess with me. Just touch me and leave, don't talk to me. I get lost in the moment, I be going in public. So close to the game, gave Wall a bucket. Gave Bill a oof for my little boot. Bel Air in the fridge, got the will to do it. Got a real, no profile. Go y'all mask, no I still don't smile. Do it for the bad boy, do it for a pop. Red lights on, but it still won't stop. Just can't wait to get ready. Pacific, that is. You understand me? Bunch of bad bitches. You heard. Popping that GTV. You heard. Living that lifestyle. Yeah. I do this for Miss Gladys, boy. 100. Platinum card, you can earn 5 times membership rewards points on flights and prepaid hotels booked through Amex Travel, which means 5 times the relax.
I really don't know what I want.
Yes. Caesar salad. Then with chicken, with shrimp, no protein. Excellent. Caesar salad. Something more we need? Something more we need?
I would order something else for me. So, yeah, I think that's all. That's all for you, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
2 Caesar salads?
No, just one for her.
Just one? Okay.
And then I think just the fried calamari.
Thanks. First I need to ask.
Check.
Okay. Yeah, if we got the calamari.
Oh, keep it, yeah, in case. I never had calamari, so. Cheese curds.
Cheese curds? Oh,
Yeah.
okay, the fried cheese. Mozzarella, that's it. I don't know that was something else.
Some burgers and
You know what's
wings.
crazy? My mom is
Mexican
in Iowa.
food.
My mom is in Iowa. Rather than doing all that, depending on your like, okay, depending on your immediate crisis, like shit, find people who can.
Exactly.
Yeah.
No excuses. Or do it by yourself. Thank you. Yum. You've had calamari before? Of course you have. You've been everywhere.
Where? My baby. I'm a big seafood.
What is it again? Squid?
Calamari.
Squid?
Oh, I think it was squid or octopus. I think it's octopus. Calamari, what is it? Is it squid or octopus?
No, it's not the octopus. These are fish.
What kind?
What kind of fish?
The calamari.
Calamari fish.
Yeah, calamari is a type of fish.
Okay.
Oh,
I show you a photo of it.
Oh, okay.
It's fish, huh? Oh, okay.
Oh, I didn't know that. I thought it came off from the octopus or
I thought so too.
yeah.
Squid, yeah. Oh, I think it's like a squid, yeah.
It's the first time that you tried this?
Yeah.
First time
You like
trying
it?
it.
Yeah. It's good.
It's good. I love this. It's good.
Yeah, I think it's a
It kind of has like a mushroom texture.
What's something you don't like?
Corned beef.
Corned beef.
Yeah.
That's so random.
I never liked it when my mom made it, out of all things. Corned beef and cabbage. I'm like, ew. Hated it. But I might like it now. What else? I don't know. I like a lot of different foods. What about you? I was trying to think of what I actually don't like. I'm fat.
I don't really like mayonnaise. It's really weird, but it's like mixed in with something. And ranch, obviously, like it's mixed in. I'm fine. Mayonnaise, these cherry tomatoes. I really don't care for cherry tomatoes. I really like.
Really? You don't like it?
Like I like tomatoes, but cherry tomatoes are like small like this.
Yeah.
Not my favorite.
I hear you.
Actually, like dish-wise.
Hey y'all, I'm leaving the B&B. It's fucking real. It's been real Miami, like it was last time. Anyways, yeah, I'm about to go to the airport now. All right, y'all, I'll see you guys once I make it to the airport. Love you. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, there's America in everything. I need a new suitcase. Definitely gonna get a new one for next trip. I was trying to get a new one, but they didn't have any cute ones at Walmart, and they didn't have any with this thing. Well, they did, but it was ugly and expensive. What you're learning? This is crazy. Look at this. Currently checking in, so the boarding pass. I have a layover, so usually this flight should be like 3 hours, but it's gonna be like 6 hours. So here's the boarding pass. Why are they printing two? Oh, because I have a layover. I was just crying because I'm like mentally freaking tired and I don't want to do anything. And I'm like, I'm gonna have to sit here for a couple hours, so I was just like stressed out about that and annoyed, and I just wanted to cry. So yeah, I'm about to look for like an outlet though. Hopefully I can find something. Finally on the plane. So now we're headed to Baltimore for a layover and then to Chicago. I can't even say I'm ready to go home because I'm not, but I have standard shit all in my hair. Get some food. I'm hungry. I haven't ate since breakfast when I had those calamari. There's a lot of cool, like, different stuff that I've never seen before. I'm in Baltimore, so this is my first time here. Can I mark that off the list? Not really, because I'm just in the airport. I have to actually, like, be out and about, you know? But I'm still gonna count it. I'm just waiting right now for my food. I think I also want to get Subway, but I just got some chicken wings. These better be good. They smell spicy. I got ranch and blue cheese, so which one do y'all like? Comment below and let me know. Oh, and I also like mango habanero spice, like sauce wings, but they didn't have it, so I just got regular buffalo.
No, because I didn't get that.
I've been craving spicy stuff, so I'm about to go up there and go get some extra buffalo sauce. What did y'all eat today? Ooh, sauce. Saucing on you. It definitely could be spicier.
Put the backpack on your seat in front of you. We'll be down. I'll double check. I want to ask anybody.
Flight is only an hour. I thought it was 3 hours, but it's only an hour.
Oh, sorry. That's you didn't need any cups, right? No problem. Oh, yeah.